were on here last time when I was here, asshole. I don't have anything to say to you because you're a bitch, motherfucking asshole.
Alright, let's go to a different channel, text me.
Say what? I was here a while ago. I was on this app. I haven't used this app in a while because, well, I got banned from it for a few days of my problem with words because people kept reporting me. So I'm back.
Text me. Let's go to a different channel. Just send me the invite for a different channel.
I don't have any coins.
No, not a different channel. Y'all need to go to a motherfucking different app. Go download a different app and go talk on that bitch. Weird bitch, motherfucker.
You motherfucking bitch, asshole. You have nothing good to say, you bitch, asshole. So shut your motherfucking mouth and just accept it, dirty horse.
Let's go to a different channel, text me. I'll meet you there.
Her mother says she's got Asperger's. She was born with it. It makes her lie. It makes her stutter. And it makes her a fucking retard.
What the hell? What the hell are you talking about, Anthony?
I had to call Darlene, Megan's mother, and ask what the fuck was wrong with that girl. I says, what the hell's the matter with her? And her mother says she's got Asperger's or Asperger's. It's a form of autism. She lies, she says dumb things, and she stutters.
Oh, hell. So, does that mean she lied about being pregnant?
Well, rumor has it she is not pregnant. She's not pregnant. She did say last month that she was 5 months pregnant and the baby was going to be born in September, but now we don't hear anything about her being pregnant. So I asked her mother if she was pregnant, and her mother said no.
That's why she sent a fake ultrasound picture from an abortion website.
That's her boyfriend, Texas, right there. He stands beside her 110% because the guy's never got laid in his life and he thinks he's going to get a little pussy off of Megan. I'll tell you what, you're going to need a bumper jack.
Yeah, and you know you're working on my location and all that. You're gonna hack me and all that.
See, you can't come here and have a decent conversation because you get jackasses that play music.
Yeah, damn jackasses.
Yeah, that one's in here 24/7. That's a millennial. It doesn't work. It doesn't have a job. It doesn't have a purpose in life. All it does is sit on this fucking walkie-talkie all day and play fucking music. That's its life. Goddamn walkie-talkie didn't work. He'd probably commit suicide. That's how fucking wrapped up in this son of a bitch he is. God damn it. Get a fucking life, dude. Wish the cocksucker lived over here in Jersey, man. We'd fucking would take a fucking ball bat and make that white boy white again. He want to be a wigger, you know. He'd walk around here probably with his hat cocked on sideways and his drawers halfway down the crack of his fucking ass. Hey, we'd bring him upright. We'd hit him with a fucking ball bat and fix him.
And like I tell you, Clouds, you don't know the person behind the walkie-talkie program. You have no idea, guys, what I do behind the walkie-talkie program. And no, I'm not a sex offender. And no, I don't like kids. In real life, I have a beautiful ass husband who likes me and loves me to death. There you go, Clouds.
So now that I finally got this fucking goddamn button, so I don't know who's playing Beat Rabbit rap, but your motherfucking asses are on goddamn mute. So shit's getting on my goddamn fucking everlasting fucking cock-sucking noise. Okay? It's driving me nuts.
Hey, Mama Dukes, you still have to text you? That's 2 facts. You should read that into the box so everybody knows what I go through every day.
How are you, Mama Dukes?
Mama Dukes, you got a message for me? And Mama Dukes, you're welcome to tell them anything they need to know. And maybe they will back off of me. Go ahead, Mama Dukes, you're welcome to speak. You can tell them you can tell them what I told you.
Hey, Miss Tina. Hope you are doing well. Okay, well, I don't know who's playing that shit, but they're both about to go on mute. The one did, and the other one's about to. Because that shit's driving me fucking bananas, and here I am, daydreaming at the light.
Try to keep your fucking my name out of your fucking mouth, you son of a bitch. The fuck out of here, almost as a motherfucker. So I was in here the whole fucking time, here, you stupid ass. Okay, retard? Didn't say a fucking word to you, but you had to mention my fucking mouth. Huh, hippo boy? What did I get done with you, hippo boy? And your toothpick fucking husband. And fuck that hippo boy. Be a cold fucking dead hell before I'll be your fucking friend, bitch. I'm gonna terrorize your fucking ass every fucking time I see you out here. I told you keep my fucking name out of your mouth, bitch. Told you I didn't want to be your fucking friend. Be a cold dead hell before I go in private with you, bitch. I'm gonna make you a laughing stock. David, you can get off my button. See how I took that button from you, stupid. Hey. What the fuck? Damn. Yeah, I'm doing what you say out here, we said earlier. And that's all I do is fucking play music out here. Where'd you go, fucking hippo boy? You like running your fucking mouth, where'd you go, bitch? What the fuck is going on in here, huh? They still crying, Klaus? What's going on, Klaus? Same old, Bankroll. About to get my smoke on, if you know what I mean. Yeah, same here, man, same here.
See, guys, in real life, my name is DJ Love. A.K.A. Dennis Primary. I was never like a kid, never will be. I hate kids. I would never have a kid in my life. Not just actually step through them, because I don't like it. I already know I'll wind up in jail, and I don't like that. I was scared as shit.
Shut up. Fucking faggot. Why are you even talking about kids anyway, DJ Love? Shut up, bitch. Fucking weird-ass motherfucker right here.
God, he got caught out here fucking talking to fucking children. Showing two little boys his fucking dick and shit. Well, I don't like talking to children. Yeah, when your ass gets fucking caught doing the shit, and you try and deny the fucking shit, you dumbass fucking moron. You're a fucking idiot. Okay? Have fun, retard. Because your husband's when the next one's going to be animated. I'm just going to put all the video together yet. But I got a little bit of it, of him talking. But I'm going to do the whole thing and split them both in half.
Like I said, Clouds, I don't like kids. Never will like kids, Clouds. I bet you got it. That's my husband in real life, Clouds. That's my husband in real life. He is better than a goddamn kid. He's old enough to be a goddamn grandson. That's what I say to you, Clouds.
Shut up, you fucking weirdo. God damn, why don't you just fucking go somewhere? Did you say, hey, we're not gonna be on for 2 weeks. I'll see you all motherfuckers in 2 weeks. Shut the fuck up, you fucking little weirdo. Nobody gives a shit about you. Fuck sakes, man. Go kill yourself. Go fuck your fucking husband in the ass. And shut up. Take a dick in your mouth too, bitch, so you shut up.
Just like nobody gives a fuck about your bitch ass, Joker. Well, fuck up, pussy. You don't get no fucking orders around here. You's a little bitch.
Hey, Joker, what the fuck you got, Joker? Well, you got Joker right next to you. Oh, I forgot. You don't got nobody next to you, Joker. You have no shorty. You have nobody. Like I do, Joker. I'm not the pedophile either. So then you fucking say to me, it's not true, Joker. You and your fucking boyfriend slaves need to get together and fuck each other in the end.
Hey, don't ever be bringing up Snipes' name up in this bitch. Fuck Snipes. That fool's a pedo-ass fucking faggot. Yeah, DJ Love, you want to talk to Snipes and go suck his dick and shit, go over there to channel 1 or 5 or 7. Don't be bringing that fucking pedophile pizza shit eating faggot in here.
Shut the fuck up and get off the mic, Joker. That's how you knock somebody off the mic, bitch. Fuck off the mic, Joker. Facts on that, Brother Money. Shout out to you, Brother Money. Facts on that. Shut the fuck up, Joker. Shut the fuck up, bitch. You don't get to come in here and hand out orders, bitch. You take orders, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, Joker. Get the fuck down, punk pussy, bitch.
Hey, DJ, man, why don't you and fucking Moneybags over there, why don't you guys play Switch It? Stick your finger in his ass, him stick his finger in your ass, you switch, and you fucking put each other's fucking fingers in your mouths. Fucking stupid idiot. Shut your fucking mouth.
Yeah, David, you're straight facts on that one. Yeah. That's for sure. Nobody gives a fuck about that fucking motherfucker. He can't fucking scare a fucking fly off the fucking glass. You know what I mean?
Hey, faggot Joker, key the fuck up, bitch. Give us a remix, Joker. Hey, facts on that, guys. I mean, the guy enjoys being smacked the fuck around. He has fetishes of men smacking him the fuck around like the stupid, goofy bitch that he is. Ain't that right, Joker? I mean, that's why he comes on here and gets smacked the fuck around daily, because he's not allowed to chit-chat.
Hey, Brian. I'm still waiting for that fucking whore to fucking come on here. Prove to me and Big D that that's not her in the fucking booty shorts shaking her ass on her fucking TikTok page. Come on, man. I want to see that bitch shake her fucking ass.
God. Yeah, go ahead and proceed. I'm done, man. Fuck, I'm over here to smoke. Fuck this shit. Can't hear a fucking hippo boy. That's too big boyfriend.
Hey, come on, Brian. Talk to me, pussy. Come on, pussy. You know you can talk to me. You know you want to fucking say something. Come on, man. Come on, where's that fucking slut? Shit. Oh, that's right. You're busy with your 20 devices over there. Breaker, WKYZEE743. Anybody have a copy on me? Over.